Hello aspirants, welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This video forms a part of our daily current affairs series, and in today's session we'll discuss about Financial Inclusion Index. So it was released recently by the Reserve Bank of India, although it was announced in April 2021, but now it has been made official, and this index it will be released every year in July. And this index is going to be a comprehensive index. Why? Because it will contain the details regarding banking, insurance, postal, investment, etc. Now, under this index, financial inclusion will be measured on the scale of 0 to 100. So 0 means complete financial inclusion, 100 means complete financial inclusion. So if the score comes out to be 100, it means we have achieved complete financial inclusion. Now, from the prelims perspective, just remember three facts. First, it will be released by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Second, it won't take into account any base year. So while calculating this index, RBI won't consider any base year. So this is another important fact you must know, and it will be released every year. This is the third important point from the prelims perspective. Now you should have little idea what this financial inclusion is. See, financial inclusion is the process of ensuring that you have access to financial services. So if you need credit, that credit is timely available. So if you are a powerful person, if you are a rich person, then credit is available for you. However, if you are a poor person, then timely credit is not available for you. So this is the objective behind this financial inclusion, to ensure that every poor person has the timely credit. But there are so many challenges still. There are so many people who do not have access to banking system because they do not have bank accounts. Second, there is this lack of financial literacy, and some people are not digitally educated. They are not aware of these digital apps, so this also hinders the goal of financial inclusion. So all these are the challenges associated with financial inclusion, but this index it will give a vivid picture of financial inclusion in our country. So that's all I wanted to tell you as far as this topic is concerned, and I have provided the content. You can use it for the revision purpose. It contains the details of this index, and if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. And if you have any suggestions, you can mention in the comment section. We are ready to incorporate your suggestions in our upcoming initiatives. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.